Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies less sweet. We'll explore several simple methods to achieve a perfectly balanced flavor. First, consider reducing the sugar directly in your recipe. Next, we'll look at how adding contrasting flavors can make a big difference. Finally, we'll discuss incorporating unsweetened ingredients and making small baking adjustments for a less sweet treat. One of the most straightforward ways is to simply reduce the sugar. You can often cut granulated sugar by about 1/4 to 1/3 without drastically changing the cookie structure. For brown sugar, reducing it slightly can also help, though it impacts chewiness. Substituting a portion of the sugar with unsweetened applesauce is another great option. Beyond reducing sugar, you can balance sweetness with other flavors. Increasing the salt by about 1/4 teaspoon per batch can significantly cut through sweetness. Spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or ginger also add warmth and complexity. Incorporating bitter elements, such as unsweetened cocoa powder or a bright, tart citrus zest, can also create a more balanced taste. Consider swapping ingredients for less sweet versions, like using unsweetened chocolate. Adding ingredients such as nuts or oats can also dilute the sweetness and add texture. Baking adjustments can also help. A slightly shorter baking time or a small increase in oven temperature can sometimes result in a less caramelized, and thus less sweet, cookie.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.